Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode. Today I'm excited to share a little video about my latest project for our friends in California. This project is testing display design to make speaker competition a lot easier and help you to better understand the difference between each one. I hope you're gonna like this video, and if you do, I think I deserve a like from you and comment in the best scenario. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.